What is up, everybody? It is the Train Freak and Train Freak Jr. And we got a mail call today. We've got a few items in, or a couple items in from eBay. And I got a little Christmas gift from my music pastor at church, which I will get into more detail on that. And since I've done some Locomotive decoder installs, Junior here we used that money, and Junior here picked out a Locomotive at the hobby shop. But before we get to it, I always want to remind you to subscribe to, my channel. Make sure you fill in the bell so that way you receive future notifications on all my videos. Thumbs up always helps, no thumbs down, thumbs up, that's right. I mean, if you want a thumbs down, that's okay too, because it actually still helps my channel with some type of interaction. And you can always feel free to comment if you ever want to. So, and also before we get to the gifts, I do want to thank my extended supporters through Patreon, through Teespring, which if you want some cool channel swag, here you go. And people have sent me one-time donations through my PayPal.me. All that money is what goes towards content for this channel, which more than likely goes towards awesome prizes. And speaking of prizes, the 500 subscriber is still open. We're getting really close. I want to say we're at 496 is the last time I checked before recording this video. So once we hit 500, we hold it for a week. Somebody's going to be getting an awesome prize, either in O, HO, or N scale. So make sure you subscribe and go check that out. I'll put a link to that video, up here in the corner. So yeah, make sure you check that out. Other than that, let's get to the stuff. So we're gonna do the Christmas gift first, and I actually already seen what it was. So I'm gonna give a little backstory on it. Of course, being as a kid, we collected things called Hot Wheels. So I know you're thinking, well, that ain't model trains. Well, if you do, I think it's S scale. It could be on S scale. So it's but other than that, there was this one Hot Wheel I used to have as a kid. It was one of my favorites, and you're fixing to see why. And I don't know where it's at now. I know I got all of my Hot Wheels from when I was a kid. I've handed them to Aaron here, or the Train Freak Jr., but it doesn't include this one. So when I was at church, one of the band members gave the youth pastor a whole bunch of Hot Wheels for his kids and stuff. And I saw it in one of the sets, and I was like, oh, I remember that one. I was telling him about it, when I was a kid. I used to have it. And I was like, your kids are really going to enjoy that one, because it's like one of the coolest of all time, in my opinion. And so, of course, when I was working in the tech booth at church this last weekend, there was a Christmas gift sitting on the computer that I was working on, and a card with my name on it. And so I waited till after service, and I opened it up, and I was like, I'll be dang, he gave me that Hot Wheel that I was telling him about. So Aaron, you want to show everybody the Hot Wheel? You haven't seen it yet, have you?
I don't think so.
No, he hasn't. So make sure you show it on camera. People want to see you open it on camera. There you go. So yeah, this is one of my favorite ones of all time.
Oh gosh, it looks like the thing from Grammy's and Pawpaw's toy bucket.
Oh, so that's where mine's located? Is at Grammy and Pawpaw's house, huh?
No, it just looks like it. Anyways.
Oh, okay.
Anyways.
Let's get up there and show it to them.
I think
it's a railroader.
I think there's also possibly the back side, but it's probably the same thing.
So that's what the back side looks like, or the inside. And if you are wondering, let's see if I can get it in there.
Why don't you show them the front?
There's the Hot Wheels logo. I don't know if it's going to focus or not. There it goes. Hot Wheels logo right there in the middle. So this is a Hot Wheels. So this is going to go on my display shelf, along with the moose that I got from Amy, which is Sparky's wife. And I might be having a project Nathan DeLay is going to be helping me on, which I don't want to go into that. But I will be getting with him on that one. So I'm going to have a little display with some knickknacks and stuff. So this is going to be one of them. All right, Aaron, you want to show them the locomotive you picked out?
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so here's our locomotive.
SD9 Locomotive. And he said something about the best. What?
I don't know.
Oh,
yeah, I don't know. So this is a Proto 2000 SD9, and it does come with sound and DCC already. This was on somebody's estate sale. I don't know if he ever ran it or not, but this is the first time we're going to actually pull it out of the box so you can see it better, because everybody knows that that plastic is, it don't help. And I honestly have no clue what type of decoder and if it's a soundtracks or ECU. Tsunami, so it's soundtracks. That's pretty cool. So, which I'm a soundtrack guy, so it's even better. Oh yeah, this thing looks amazing. So let's get it pulled out. Now, unfortunately, the number boards don't have anything on it. Oh, this might be a little hard to pull out. I don't want to break it. There it goes. Holy smokes.
That looks...
Now, Aaron, I think you picked out a good one. Here we go.
That looks so amazing.
There's the front.
Southern Pacific, and the number is 5354.
That's right. So this is a SD9. And I've got a GP9 that's a cotton belt, same paint scheme, that this will go good with. So that is pretty cool, I must say. And we'll have to put some decals on the number board, see if the number board's lights up. So, good job, Aaron. You did a good job picking that one out.
I'm just going to pretend I didn't know anything about that, but thank you for the compliment.
You're welcome. So what it was is I've had 2 customers bring me a total of 8 locomotives that they needed some type of decoder installation on. Most of them with sound. And of course, I don't make any money on the decoders themselves, but I charge for installation. And I used that money there to purchase a locomotive, and I actually pulled 5 locomotives off the shelf, and I told Train Freak Jr., I said, hey, pick one. And this is the one he picked. So I will be doing an actual review video on that one later. So let's get to the 2 eBay purchases.
You want to save the bigger for last? Because
That's
the
fine.
bigger,
It don't matter. They're both cool in my opinion.
The bigger's the better, and I say best is for last.
Okay. So I got this one here. This one came from somebody in Iowa City, Iowa. And so we're going to see if we can open this on it. I haven't seen what's in here. I mean, I know what's in here. And I have more packages coming, but you know how USPS is these days, or they're so backed up. And it just, I don't know, it's not a good situation. Like, I know with some people's stuffs never even got to them. And it's like I ordered some of these things all on the same time. They shipped out on the same time, and I'm already getting notifications. I'm getting delays from one out of New York, or I think it's New Jersey, Secaucus, New Jersey, and I got another one that shows a delay out of Anaheim, California.
Is that supposed to be newspapers wrapping?
Yep, they use newspaper to wrap it, and I think it's because there's no box. But this is a custom job, and I was able to win the bid for a really, really good price.
Oh, gosh.
So they got it in bubble wrap, so we got to pull it out. And this will actually go good with doing operations on the layout. And I will explain why as I'm peeling off all the bubble wrap and packing tape. If I can get it off. There we go. I know if I can get one side off, we'll be fine. Oh yeah. And this sucker here is heavy. But it's okay. So, I will have to do some type of modification to it because it is not a removable load, and for ops I need removable loads. But that's fine. But this is it. So it is a bulkhead flat car. SSW, that is cotton belts, reporting marks for St. Louis Southwestern. And for the car shops, they do accept metal sheets, sheet metal. So that's what this is. So this could actually be serviced at the car shops and maybe some of the other industries that require sheet metal for some reason. So, oh, looks like my fireplace finally wanted to kick on. So, got to close the door so I don't pull the smoke out. So, yeah, this will definitely get some use. The only thing it looks like I will have to do is, I can't tell if these are metal or plastic wheels. So I'll have to figure that out. If they got plastic wheels, I'll have to go metal. And eventually I'm in the process of changing all the couplers. Even though these are knuckle couplers, it's not the right type that I want. And looks like this car has even been weathered too, so it looks like it. $25 is what I gave for this. So I don't think 25 bucks is a bad deal. Even though there's no box, I'm not worried about it. I think that's a good deal for this car. So, all right, Aaron, you want to just give me that last box over there and we'll open it?
All right.
We can save that newspaper.
Yeah, it might help.
Yep.
All right. 404. Final box.
So this is the last box for this video.
Come on.
All right, Aaron, you want to take a guess what's in here?
I'm not really a good present kind of guy, but if I was to guess, that would probably be the size of a box for a O scale train.
You think it's O scale?
Yeah, I think it's an O scale train box.
Well, this one came out of Connecticut.
Like, I'm
So-
not a good present guesser, but you know.
I can promise you it's not O scale.
How?
Because I was the one who ordered it.
Oh, it was a package that looked like O scale.
But they were nice enough to give me the box.
So it was an HO scale size box with the O scale train in it.
No, O scale's bigger than HO.
Oh, I mean HO.
Yeah. Was it an O scale size box with the HO train in it? What you were trying to say?
Yeah, that was what I was saying.
Oh.
I messed up on it.
Okay. Invoice. I don't need that.
Oh, I believe so. Alright.
Bubble wrap. I know Sparky, you like the peanuts. You like bubble wrap? I'll send you the bubble wrap too if you want it. Alright, so we got a blue box here.
What might be inside?
And I only gave $15 for this one.
Cheap.
Let's see what it looks like. And of course,
It's a 18.
ooh, looks like we got some broken pieces in here. I'll have to see if I can't try to glue together.
But at least we know what train car it is. It's an 18-wheeler.
Yep. Wow, even the couplers came off. That's crazy.
Wow, that's.
All right, Aaron, you're gonna have to help me here. So you're gonna have to hold that box. Don't set it nowhere because it's got pieces all up in it. All right. So you are just gonna have to ignore that some of this is broke. Like I said, I'll have to fix it. But what we have here is an 83-foot flat car, which I will have to change the wheels. Those are plastics. And it does got another knuckle coupler in the box, but it also comes with 2 40-foot 18-wheeler trailers. So this would be good for my, I guess you would call it a old school intermodal, or that's a TOFC, trailer on a flat car. But that's the other one I got in. Like I said, I'm gonna have to do some repairs on this one. And that trailer, man, or that flat car looks warped. So, but hey, it was only $15, so that was a trailer. That was not the car. $15. I didn't feel like it was too bad of an ordeal, but I will have to figure out why there is a warp. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's like it sags here and then it humps up here, so. And that could have been maybe how it was put in the box. The guy didn't take the couplers off first, so. And those blue boxes do not fit cars with couplers on them. So, I'll get it figured out. So, alright y'all, well this concludes the mail call for today. So like I said, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you fill in that bell so that way you receive future notifications. And also, make sure you check out the 500 subscriber video so that way you can enter in the 500 subscriber contest before it closes. And that was the other trailer. Jeez, I'm telling you. And if you would also like to be a extended supporter of this channel, the links for my Teespring, Patreon, and PayPal are in the description below. So, other than that, I'm going to let y'all have at it. Y'all have a great weekend. Be safe out there, and happy railroading.
Bye.